friends, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be reviewing a new product, and the product, like I told you in my last video, is DOMS duster. So guys, this is a DOMS duster that I have with me. So this is a whiteboard duster right here which I have, and today we are going to review this. So let's start off with the review of the product. So straight up front we can see the DOMS branding on it. So there's a DOMS branding right here. There's a plastic cover on top, and this is how the duster looks. A 3-layered duster it is. So down is the duster part, then there's a soft foam part right here, keeping it nice and soft. Since it's a magnetic duster like this, so it sticks to the magnetic whiteboard. It has a magnetic strip inside it, and it sticks to the whiteboard very easily. So very easy to keep, like you can keep it, and so that you don't need to search for it, you can just stick it to the whiteboard and keep. Another fun part about this is it comes with a placement part for 2 markers to be kept inside. So right here you can, like, so that you don't need to keep searching for the markers. The markers stay right inside the duster right here. So there's a cover that goes, a flip cover, and inside that there's a place to keep the markers. You can keep the markers in and use it, and then keep them back in and store it like this on the whiteboard itself. So very useful stuff right here. Now I have been using this duster for quite some time, and it has been worn out right now, if you can see. So yeah, that is something I would want to add, right? So the life of the duster isn't that high, so maybe it works out for 1-2 months of really rigid use, and it will be worn out, so I'll need to buy a new one. So yeah, but it still does the job. Like it is, like you can see the state of the duster right now. Like it has almost reached the magnetic strip itself. So that's how much I have used this duster to erase the whiteboard, but it still works in erasing things. So like I'll show you. And now I'll still use this duster, and with one go it is still able to erase and do a wonderful job. So though it's completely worn out, it is still doing the job, which is good. So that's a good thing about it. Guys, if you are looking to buy the DOMS duster online, it's available on Amazon. I'll left a link in the description below. You can check it out from there. And if you guys have liked this video, don't forget to hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such amazing videos.